The CHEFMAN small compact air fryer is a remarkable kitchen appliance that delivers exceptional results. With its special programmable feature, you can easily customize and control the cooking process to achieve the perfect level of crispiness and taste. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its compact size, measuring at just 9.75 inches in diameter and width, and 12.5 inches in height. This makes it a perfect fit for small kitchens or countertops with limited space. Despite its small size, it boasts a generous 2-quart capacity, allowing you to cook ample portions of your favorite dishes. The sleek black color adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen decor. The combination of aluminum and plastic materials ensures durability and longevity, making this air fryer a worthy investment. Not only does the CHEFMAN small, compact air fryer excel in terms of design and size, but it also delivers superior cooking performance. The programmable feature allows you to set preset.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.